This is a quick video to show some interoperability between ArcGIS Online and SARTopo, which is a mapping tool that a lot of search and rescue teams are using to quickly get some operational data onto a map. The first step to add this layer as a live layer to my ArcGIS Online map is to go to the SARTopo export button. And here you'll want to grab the downward network link so that you have automatic updates. When I click on this link, it's going to download it. And the way my settings are, it goes right into my download folder. Now I could open this file up in ArcGIS Earth or Google Earth for some 3D visualization. But what I'd like to do here is actually use it in my ArcGIS Online application. You can open this with Notepad, or in this case, I have Notepad++. And when you do this, what you're looking for is a link. And the particular link I'm looking for has KML in it. And you'll see the way it's constructed. Looks like KFEU, Kilo Foxtrot Echo Uniform. That is the unique identifier for this map. And so that's really important. It matches my URL up here. When I go to add this, in this case, to my MapSAR Online, my web mapping application, I'm going to go to the Add Data button. And I want to add by URL. And the type is a KML. Now, one thing I discovered, it's really important that you add it as HTTPS. It's a security setting, and it's the only way you'll be able to add it to your map. You add it to your map, you should see it display. And depending on how your SARTopo is set up, this should automatically refresh when there's changes. So you could have one team using SARTopo to do the operational mapping, and using MapSAR Online to do some more analysis or to bring other layers into the mix that you have in your ArcGIS Online organization. I'm sure there's lots of utility for this tool. I look forward to hearing how you'll use it. I'm pretty excited myself as this is a capability that I wasn't aware of. All right, well, thank you very much, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.